Hey, I just wanted to make a short video here. This is a 4700 Low Pro International. It has a T444E. It's a 1995. This is our dump truck, salt truck. I guess we have had it for almost 13 years, 14 years now, coming close to that. We've had our ups and downs with it, but I will tell you, by far, it is extremely reliable. And the downs are the salt. It has hauled salt for 12 years. And this morning we had some snow. Not a lot, but a little bit. Needed to salt some properties and come out, and there was a no start. So I thought I would just give a tip on a no start here. This particular model of truck and motor, it's essentially the 7.3 liter International Power Stroke. Very reliable, very durable. This truck has almost 22,000 hours on it, and that is approaching 800,000 miles. We did not put all those miles on there, but anyways. So come out, cycle the glow plugs, and just crank. As fast as it could. Not a fire. That's not normal. Normal is it will either start or it coughs and you cycle it one more time because of the age. So that told me one of two things: either glow plugs weren't cycling or ignition wasn't on. And I've kind of ran into this before because I have in the truck so long, and salt being our number one enemy. We're here in Ohio, and I just wanted to show if anyone's ever runs into this issue. I pulled the battery box cover off, and corrosion. I got a little bit on terminals, but again, it cranks good. But down there where the battery box cover is two fuses. You can see a little bit of corrosion here on the terminal. I need to get that cleaned up. But these two fuses, here is one, and here is one. They've got their own covers. I think they're a 30 amp and a 20, or 30 and 40. But they control the ignition. If either of those ever blow, engine will shut right off. You can crank it, but it's a no start. And I think, let's see, there's two of them. One of them is for the engine, and I think one is for cranking. I cannot remember for sure, but I can tell you this: I've had it happen 3 times over the years. And the very first one started with these wires right here rubbing on the battery box. The battery box cover sits up top, a little higher, but they used to have an arc in them. And I'd get going down the road, and it only happened when it rains because mist would get in here, hit a bump, arc out because it had rubbed the insulation off the wire, kill the engine because it would blow the fuse. And it took me a couple times, figured it out. That was probably 10 years ago. And had a similar situation due to corrosion in one of these joints. That happened about 5 years ago. And this morning, come out to start, and I did a heat shrink splice right here. I already threw it away, but should have showed you guys that wire was swelled up. Salt. That is our enemy here, and I haul it. So just kind of wanted a little advice for anyone with a 4700 International or similar. The crank circuit and engine, I guess, runnability circuit, control circuit, not sure what you want to call it. Both are located in the battery box versus in the cab under the dash. Hope that helps somebody.